everybody! Welcome back to the McCoy Adventure, and today we're going to make green beans and onions. First, we're gonna need green beans, 2 onions. Next, we're going to get a cutting board. Now that we have our 2 onions cut, we are going to put away our cutting board. Get the green beans all snapped. Oops, I may have snapped too much. Alright, now we have our snapped green beans, and we are going to get a pot. Okay. Now that we have our pot, turn your oven to medium and wait. We are going to take 4 tablespoons of butter to put in the pot. Alright, we're going to put our onions in there. And now our green beans. Now cook that up. Now they're done. Just do it. It'll be funny. Your hands aren't clean.